Hi to all, ZST Dark here. So in today's video we have Huawei Watch GT2. So as you can see, here we have the package. So this is black, 4 gigs of ROM and 32 megabytes of RAM. So let's open it up and see what we have in. And here is our star Huawei GT2. As you can see, very nice. Let's see what we have in the package. I don't know if it works because I haven't turned it on yet. What we have here. Okay, we have so this is not it wasn't not open. So here we have USB Type-C cable. Okay, here we have the charging pad. As you can see, not open. So this is brand new watch. I don't know if it works. Here we have user's manual and a warranty card. So very nice. So let's put this back in and let's try to turn it on to see if it works. And that's all what's in the box. So you have to use your 5 volts charger from like mobile phone or laptop USB or that kind of stuff. So here is our star. And it doesn't work, so we have to charge it. So now I'm gonna use, oh, it works. Whoa, wait. It works. Brand new. Settings, okay. Let's do the English version. Says download Huawei Health on your phone and added this device. Okay. And you cannot do, so you can do nothing. So you can just select your language and that's it. So now I'm gonna turn my Huawei device and I'm gonna connect this watch and I'm gonna use it like 7 days and then we'll see you then. ZST out. So as you can see, the watch works. I just pair it with my Huawei P30 and it works flawlessly. So here you have songs and all the good stuff, stress. Let's see. So here the up key goes back to the menu. Very nice, works. I'm very pleased with this. So you have here a few windows Up and down you have 63% of battery, very nice. And up and down, so no new notifications, so that's very good. Let me put just on to see. So as you can see, I have Mi Band 3 and now I am pleased to and I'm now good to go step up and change my new watch. So let's see, 86, let's see how many Mi watch will do. Cannot do the measuring. Wait. Oh, I cannot. Let's try one more time. So that's about right, 75 heartbeat per minute, and Mi Band says 78. So that's it. So now I'm gonna change my Mi Band with Huawei GT2 watch, and that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll let you know how I'm pleased with this watch. See you. Bye. Hi, I'm back. So I used this watch for like 30 days, and here is what I think about it. It is very good watch. If you look from competitors, this is the smallest watch that has a built-in mic and built-in speaker, and you can play music through your watch. You can answer the calls through your watch, so that's very good. So if you put your phone, I don't know, in your house, and you go out and you're around the house for like 10 meters, you can answer through your watch, so that's good. You can receive messages, but you cannot reply to your messages. So that's the only thing that is annoying me, is that you cannot answer the messages. So let's say someone asks you, let's meet, or someone says hi, you cannot reply hi or how are you, or just okay, no, you cannot do that. You can only see what it's saying to you. So that's the only minus for this watch. Everything else is just super. So the battery life, 9 to 10 days if you're using all the good stuff like 24/7 heart rate monitor or 24/7 stress monitor and sleep monitor, and here we have the weather. You can play music, so that's good. And the speaker is okay, it's not the best, but yeah, but it's good. But it's very good. And here you have how many steps did I did today, and all that other stuff. So what you have here your barometer. You can see how many HPA you have altitude. So what else you have all this good stuff, and all this you can see your call log, you can see contacts, music, breath exercise, you have everything, you have workout, but you don't have soccer. So if you go to workout, you don't have soccer. So that's the second minus from the answering the replies to messages. Everything else is just super. As you can see here, I put a screen protector that looks like the screen of the watch. So this actually is screen protector. See here, I have a little dust. I have dust on it, but this is actually a screen protector, and it fits 100%. You cannot tell the difference. Let me show you. You see here, let me just zoom it. You see here? See? So this is the screen protector. I will put a link down below. So this is this, and you put it, and it fits 100%, and you cannot see the difference. The only thing that I don't like is that you have from 0 to 22, that I will have like say 12, 3, 6 and 9. It would be better, but this is also good. So this is like the watch has this own screen. So I'm very pleased with it. In your health app you can see all the details from how you're sleeping, how your rate monitor is, what did you use. You can go to your workout and records, you can see what did you do, so how many distance did I made, and what time, how many colors did I burn, the speed, average, fastest, and all that, steps, how much did I make. You can see all that good stuff. So I'm very pleased with this watch. Like I said, the only thing I don't like is that you cannot reply to messages. Everything else is awesome. If you want to buy your first smartwatch and you have a little few bucks more, you can go with this watch. And if you want to reply to messages, then you should buy the Pro version. But overall, this is the best, in this price range, the best watch that you can buy, that is 46 millimeters and that is smallest. When you put it, I have small arm, and I put it on, it doesn't look that much bigger. See, it works, it looks okay. So if you like my review, hit a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and wait for my new videos. That's all from me. Thanks for watching. ZY3 Dark out. Bye.